Hi there, my very special friend, ambitious, desirous, daring, courageous, bold, ready to become something very successful in life. And I assure you, my child, all my daughters and sons of the universe, you will be what you will to be. But to become something very great and very, very special, you have a definite purpose, I know it. And then you are having the best brains who are going to help you. But now a time has come when you have some 10 to 15 years of great experience. You are the best to help yourself with your belief, with your faith, with your inner conviction, with your resolute will. You are going to really achieve what you have dreamed and desired. I know you have failed several times, and every failure has brought some good experience in you. And as you know what Napoleon Hill said, every failure, every adversity, every misfortune bring with some seed of equivalent benefit. So you have a lot of beneficial experience in your life. So my friend, I tell you, just you believe and work very hard. Belief is very important. You have to dig deeper and deeper, work harder and harder, with intelligence and with perfect planning. You are definitely going to be a person of your dream. There is no doubt about it. But the most important is you should believe in yourself and you should believe that you are the best. If you feel that you are not the best, then you will get everything as per your believing. It is the belief which can create every condition, circumstances and favorable environment for you to be a very successful person. As a being of power, intelligence and love, a lot of your own thought. You have all the regenerative and transforming agency through which you are holding the key to your every temple of knowledge, temple of success, because he that seeketh findeth, he that knocketh the doors open, and you are one such person. But first thing you have to believe in yourself. Say not the struggle not availeth. Say not the struggle not availeth. But believe, work very hard. Everything will be changed. Visualize, actualize with your full measure of devotion and passion. But believe in yourself. Nobody can make you anything in life. That's why William Ernest Henley said, I am the master of my fate and I am the captain of my soul. And James Allen wrote, it is the greatest discovery of our generation that you are the master of your thought, the molder of your life, and the creator of your circumstances, environment, and destiny. A man is literally what he thinks. His character, his environment, his success, all are the reflections of his own thought. So make your thought very strong, very strong. Cherish your vision, cherish your ideal, cherish the music that stirs your heart, and the loveliness that drives in your mind. And if you are true to your belief and faith, and if you are really having a consuming obsession to become a person of your dream, then these all belief and everything will create such an environment, such a good circumstances which will help you, my special friend Vishesh. Work very hard, never be disappointed, never allow doubt and fear come to your mind, because doubt and fear are the great enemies of success, and treat every failure as a progressive stepping towards the pinnacle of your success, because failures comes when your plan is not perfect. Failure comes when you are not very sincere, you are not very dedicated, you are not striving, seeking, finding the appropriate path which can lead you to victory and success. So thank you, Vishesh. You are going to be successful. Believe me. But believe more in yourself. Nobody will help you. It's you and alone. Your success and failures are all because of you. No parents, no teachers, no conditions, no circumstances, no Barcelona, no Florida. Nothing on this planet Earth can make you a person of your dream. But you, yourself, know thyself. You have the power. Be self-reliant, be self-confident, be self-believing person. Then yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And my child, you will be a really great champion in your life. Thank you very much for watching this video, all viewers and friends. Thank you.